Wow, what a wild year it has been. Honestly, I thought you would kill me either from all of the salt or you being so hyper. I never saw myself as someone who would settle down and get married, but here we are, the best day of our young lives. Honestly, I can't wait to see you walking down the aisle toward me in that amazing white dress. I can't wait to pretend I'm not crying knowing I want to bawl like a baby and knowing that after that moment, it will never just be me again, it will be us. It took me 6 years to realize where my heart lied and why nothing would ever go right for me, and now everything that ever happened makes sense, because it was always you. I can't wait to spend the rest of our lives together. I can't wait for all the firsts we will experience together and the life we will build for ourselves. I can't wait to prove how much I love you every minute of every day for the rest of my life, because everything you do makes me fall more in love with you. Every time I see you smile, every time you laugh, every time you give me more love, I fall in love with you. The way you always crave my attention and the way you always try to learn and do the things that I like makes me melt, even though I always get frustrated. The way you push me and expect so much from me drives me nuts, but it also makes me fall more in love with you. I can't wait to marry you. See you soon. I love you, Miss Davis.
Jacob, when we first met 6 years ago, something just felt right. As we eventually went our separate ways, I never had hurt feelings because something told me not to worry. We continued to see each other at FFA events and around town, and I never lost the feeling that you were my person. Who knew that 6 years later, and a 2 a.m. text of boredom would turn into the greatest blessing of my life. As much as you try to hide it, you are the sweetest, most caring person, and I know you'd do anything for me. You're not afraid to tell me no or prove me wrong, but you always make sure I know you love me and put me first. You always make me laugh when I try to be angry. You remind me to goof off and just go with it. You push me toward my goal and never give up on me. You can be the most annoying person that you try to be, but you always make me laugh at the end. I would say I can't wait to start this life with you, but we already have, and I'm loving every minute. I love you forever and always, your wife. P.S. I promise.
These rings, as you look at them, though they are small in size, they are very large in significance. They're made of precious metal, and they remind us that love is not cheap, nor is it common. Made in a circle, the ring symbolizes the unbroken circle of love. And so as you wear these rings, may it always be a reminder to you of the vows that you are making on this day. Jacob, take that ring and place it upon Corbin's ring finger. Corbin, if you'll place the ring upon Jacob's ring finger. And again, there you go. You have come before this crowd that is here tonight and before God. You have expressed your desire to be husband and wife. You have shown your love and your dedication to one another by the joining of hands, by the making of promises and by the giving and receiving of rings. I, therefore, as a minister of Jesus Christ, and by the power that's vested in me by the state of Tennessee, now pronounce you husband and wife. And what God has joined together, let no man separate. Oh, is there something else you want? Jacob, you may kiss your bride.
I can't remember what it's like to hold one you love by your side. Or maybe I just can't seem to sing to save my life. When I'm with you, there's no reason for why. I'm intoxicated by your side. Nothing in the world's gonna beat this high. I've been searching for all of my life. When I'm with you, oh. It's funny to think we should know it's love when we've lost control. Maybe for once I can finally find my home. When I'm with you, there's no reason for why. Intoxicated by your side. Nothing in the world's gonna beat this high. I've been searching for all of my life. When I'm with you, oh. When I'm with you, oh. I can't resist. I can't miss.